Hi everyone, I'm Tony E with Network Collective. In this three-part video series, I'll demonstrate how to install EVE-NG Community Edition in Google Cloud, how to give your images in EVE-NG internet connectivity, and how to access your images from EVE-NG in Google Cloud as if they were directly connected to your local LAN. These three processes will show you how to maximize your ability to interact with your lab. In part one, you'll learn how to install EVE-NG Community Edition in Google Cloud. I'm recording this video in 2021 with the latest Community Edition available at the time. This process is different and updated from the original video I made back in 2018. In part two, you'll learn how to give your images like routers, firewalls, VMs, and more internet access from inside EVE-NG Lab. This is helpful if you're using a trial license for an image and want to grab updates or download something from the internet using wget. In part 3, you'll learn how leveraging ZeroTier, a layer 2 mesh VPN service, can allow you to connect directly to the management interfaces of your images as if they were on your local LAN. This is advantageous for many reasons. For example, if you were developing Python or Ansible scripts to interact with your images, you've developed them on your laptop, and now you can run them from your laptop as if you were directly connected to those devices. Another example is if you need to transfer new files to the file system of your images in EVE-NG. Now you can connect to them directly and upload files again as if they were directly connected. So I hope you enjoy this series, and let's dive right in.